Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Marie. Today I would like to show you how to crochet this very beautiful stitch known as the solid shell stitch. This stitch is super easy to make. It consists of single crochet and double crochet stitches. So if you already know how to make these stitches, this will be super easy for you. I absolutely love to make this stitch for beautiful baby blankets and scarves and much more. So let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to make a slip knot. I will form a loop and grab my yarn through the loop and pull the yarn tight. I will then take my crochet hook and insert it into the loop and pull the yarn tight. I'm now going to make a row of chains, and for this stitch pattern I'm going to need a number that is a multiple of 6 plus 2. So for this little sample I'm going to make 26 chains. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through. I am now ready to start row 1, and for row 1 I'm going to skip the first stitch and make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on the hook. I will now skip the next 2 stitches, and here in the third stitch I'm going to make 5 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. And I'm going to have 4 more double crochet into the same stitch. I will again now skip 2 stitches, and here in the third stitch I'm going to make a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. I will now again skip 2 stitches, and here in the third stitch I will again make 5 double crochet. Again, and skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet. And I will just continue this way for the rest of the row, skipping 2 stitches and making 5 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 and make 1 single crochet. And here at the end of the row I should have 3 stitches left. I'm going to skip 2 and make a single crochet here in the very last stitch. We have now finished row 1 and this is what it looks like. We are now ready to start row 2, and to start row 2 we are going to chain 3. I will now turn my work, and the 3 chains that I just made are counting as my first double crochet for row 2. I'm going to make 2 more double crochets here in the first stitch that you can see right here. I will now skip 2 stitches, and here in the top of my shell that I made from the previous row, I'm going to make a single crochet. Again, I will skip 2 stitches, and here into my single crochet from the previous row, I will make 5 double crochet. So I'm just going to continue in this way for the rest of the row. And you can always see where to make your different types of stitches. You will always remember to make your single crochet into the top of the shells, and you will make your 5 double crochet into the single crochet stitches from the previous row. Here at the end of the row you should have 3 stitches left. You are going to skip 2, and here in the very last single crochet you are going to make 3 double crochet. This is what my first 2 rows look like. I'm now ready to start row 3, and for row 3 I will start by chaining 1 and turn my work. For row 3 I will start with making a single crochet into the very first stitch. Not into the chain that I just made, but into the very first double crochet from the previous row. Skip 2 and make 5 double crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. I will skip 2 and make a single crochet. Skip 2 and make 5 double crochet. And I will continue this way all the way across. And here at the end of the row we will again skip 2 stitches, and in the top of the chain 3 that we have here we will make 1 single crochet. And here is what my first 3 rows look like. You can now just continue to make your rows in exactly the same way that you made row 2 and row 3. And that is how you make this solid shell stitch. I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for the next video, and remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for new updates. Have a nice day. Bye bye.